We're taking a look at the joystick keyboard made by Uniview, model number KB-1100-N. This is an IP-based keyboard joystick designed for control of pan, tilt, zoom cameras on a system, easily configured via any Uniview NVR software. It can control up to 255 pan, tilt, zoom cameras. This joystick will support Uniview, Pelco, Panasonic, Samsung, Hikvision, and many other protocols. Okay, so we're just going to go through the basic steps on how to set up the Uniview keyboard. Okay, to set up the Uniview keyboard, first thing you're going to want to do is go to Menu to get the IP address. We're going to go to System and then Network, and we're going to look for the IPv4 address. In this case, it's 192.168.1.30. Yep. The username should be admin, and the default password is going to be 123456. So we've just entered 123456 and hit enter. At this point, we're going to go to local config. And we're going to go to net config. We're changing the IP address so it's in range with the NVR. Once we've set up the local config, we're going to go back and set up an IP address for the keyboard itself. So we're going to go to Device Manage. We're going to go to Manual Config, and we're going to add a device. ID, you can just enter anything. So in this case, we just enter 1. The name, we'll just enter 1. And it's hooked up to an NVR, and the method it's hooked up to is by network cable. So now we're going to enter an IP address which is in range with the NVR. So at this point, we're going to hit the escape key. And we want to save the config. So at this point, we're pretty much set up to control a PTZ camera. Okay, so we're just going to show the basic functionality of zooming in the camera or zooming out or pan and tilting the camera. So you can just use the joystick to maneuver the camera. You're going to press the PTZ button after you select your PTZ camera.